Today I'm going to teach you how to create recurring invoices in Xero. This feature is incredibly useful if you have customers who pay you regularly for services or subscriptions, as it automates the entire invoicing process and saves you from creating the same invoice manually every time. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This will take you to the Xero homepage where you can access your account. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button and enter your Xero credentials to log into your account. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your dashboard quickly. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Xero dashboard. From here, look for the Sales option in the main navigation menu and click on it. This will expand a submenu with various options related to sales management. From this expanded menu, select Invoices. This section is where you'll manage all your invoicing activities, including creating new recurring invoices. Now, on the top side menu of the Invoices page, you'll see a button labeled New Repeating Invoice. Click on this button to begin setting up your recurring invoice. This is the key feature that allows you to automate your invoicing process for regular customers. Next, you need to select the customer who will receive this recurring invoice. Click on the Invoice to field and choose the appropriate customer from your list. This ensures that the invoice is automatically sent to the correct recipient each time it's generated. Once you've selected the customer, it's time to enter the invoice details. Fill in the reference field if you want to add a specific identifier for this invoice. Then add your line items by entering a description of the service or product along with the quantity and price for each item. This information will remain the same for every recurring invoice unless you manually change it later. Now comes the crucial part where you define how often this invoice should repeat. In the Repeat Every field, choose the frequency that matches your billing cycle. You can select options like months or weeks and then enter the specific number. For example, if you bill monthly, you would select months and enter 1. After setting the frequency, you need to establish when this recurring invoice will start. Set the start date in the invoice date field and then specify the due date for payment. The due date determines how long the customer has to pay once they receive the invoice, so choose a time frame that aligns with your payment terms. Finally, if the option is available, you can toggle to set an end date for this recurring invoice or choose to have it repeat infinitely. This is particularly useful if you have ongoing subscriptions with no fixed end date. Once you've configured all these settings, click Save to finalize your recurring invoice setup. And that's it. Your recurring invoice is now set up and will be automatically generated according to the schedule you've defined, saving you time and ensuring consistent billing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.